This is literally the prettiest hat I have ever seen. Like, it is gorgeous. Like, look at this. Have my little snuggle babies with me today. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with an Ulta haul. I decided to get a couple things and actually went there for just like one thing for lashes, and I ended up coming out with like a bunch of stuff. This happens to me like all the time. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, hello, I'm Fabiola, and I create all kinds of lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and pink videos. If you love any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell below, and follow me on my social media at FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you girls need to get down because you are shaking the camera. So lately I have been obsessed with Ulta. I haven't really shopped at Sephora in quite a while, ever since like that dilemma that I had. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So like I said, I did go for some lashes, and these are the lashes that I love and I use these all the time. These are the Ardell Wispies, and you get 5 pairs. It's actually cheaper to get them in like this bigger pack, because if you buy them separately it ends up being like more expensive. So I did get these here. I also love the Wispies Double Up, but they don't have those in like big packs. So these are the lashes that I use. And then I also got this here for my brows, the Anastasia gel. So I saw that they had this kit, which is amazing, because just the gel by itself, I believe it's like around $27. But if you buy the kit, it's only $30, and you get a brush to go with it, and you also get the brow gel. It's like a mini size, but it's like amazing. So basically you're getting like a $48 value for only $30. So look for this. If you like to get this one here, I recommend you get the kit instead, because you're getting basically like the brush and then the mini gel. So definitely a must, and this is what I use all the time. I did get this in the shade medium brown, and I also got for my brows, because my brows are sometimes a little bit wild and they go everywhere. So I got the Brow Freeze. It's supposed to be a styling wax for your brows. It is clear and it looks pretty cool. This is what it looks like. I know like the feathered brows are like trendy right now. So I did get this just to kind of put in my brows, just to kind of like set them so they're not all over the place. So I wanted to get something from the Kylie Jenner collection, like her new products that just launched, but they didn't have anything out yet. They said they had like a whole box of her new products, but they didn't have it out. But I did end up getting some of her skincare, which I've heard some great reviews on. I got these 3 products from the Kylie Skin. I ended up getting the clarifying facial oil. This one here says that it's ultra lightweight. It's a facial oil to help clarify impurities and condition the skin. My skin is super dry. Even though it's summer, I do get very, very dry skin. And this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. It's like that baby pink color. And it does have like a little dispenser, which I absolutely love. And there's no scent to it, so I'm loving that as well. I don't like it when my like face products have like a strong scent. And then I also ended up getting the face moisturizer. This one here. It's actually pretty big. This is what it looks like. Also in that light baby pink. And it has like one of these little pump dispensers, which is great because you don't have to kind of like dig your finger in, and it's just more cleaner to use. And then the last thing I got from Kylie Skin is the Vanilla Milk Toner. The reason why I got this is because, like I said, my skin is very dry and very sensitive, and I do break out very easily if I use the wrong products. So I saw that this here was like milk toner, and I was like, oh, this is probably very good. And it says that it's gentle, alcohol free. It's a facial toner that helps replenish the look and feel of your skin, which is definitely what I need. And this one here is huge. This is what it looks like, and it's a pretty big size. So I'm very, very excited to try those out. Like I said, I have heard some great reviews on them. So next, I also got this one here from Too Faced, and it's the Power Plumping Liquid Balm. This is just like a lip balm, so it has no color, no shade. Well, it is pink, but I think it goes on clear. I mean, look at the packaging. Love it. It's so cute. It's just clear. I mean, there is a little hint of light baby pink, but it's not something like too strong. And it does have a really nice scent to it. But I'm just like in love with the Too Faced packaging. It's so beautiful. It's gonna look so nice in my vanity. And then the last thing I got from Ulta is a shampoo and a conditioner from the brand Monday. And look at the packaging. It's pink. That's what caught my eye when I was like walking down the aisle. I saw like these beautiful pink shampoos and conditioners, and of course I had to get them. But the reason why I got them is because these are for dry and damaged hair, and I got the conditioner and shampoo. It is... What are you doing in there? Oh my goodness, my cat is literally like wild today. What are you doing? Also, these are paraben-free, cruelty-free, not tested on animals. They are dermatologically tested, and they are made out of recycled plastic. So I'm very excited to try this out. I did need new shampoos, so I'll definitely be trying these out and give you feedback on those. So that was basically everything that I got at Ulta. And then as I was coming back home, I saw that I had a package, and I couldn't believe it because it's something that I was totally not expecting. It definitely made my day, and of course I had to open it. You guys know me, I just couldn't resist. It was a special package from my bestie Janini, and you guys know that she does have a YouTube channel. It's JJ's Pink Secrets, and I know a lot of you have been messaging me and DMing me through YouTube and Instagram asking where is her channel. So she did put it on pause for a short period of time. She will have it up soon whenever she's ready, but as of now I think it's not up yet. I will definitely let you guys know when her channel is back up, when she's ready to start filming again, so you can keep watching her videos. I know a lot of you love her channel, love her personality and her videos. She's definitely like one of my bestest friends, and I don't know what I would do without her. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you what she got me. I was so amazed when I saw what she sent me. So I opened the big box, and she sent me a Juicy Couture bag. Like, how gorgeous is this bag? I literally haven't seen this anywhere. And I don't know if I said this before, I am from Massachusetts, and they literally don't really carry that much Juicy Couture. It seems like we get like whatever is left over from like the other states, so we never get anything cute around here that is like trendy. But look how stunning this is. You can use it with the handles or with the strap as like a crossbody. It is adjustable. It's like beautiful. I am loving this purse so much, and it does have like a little heart here in the middle that says Juicy Couture. The inside of the bag looks like this. It has like this black and white print with a pocket, but isn't she so pretty? And it's that perfect shade of pink that we all love. And then inside there was this beautiful card. She also sent me a card right here that I already read. I literally teared up when I read it. She's definitely like one of the bestest friends I've ever had. And then she sent me, look at this bow, like how cute. It's one of these like clip-ons, which I love. Can't wait to wear this. It's so pretty, like adorable. And it's like very silky too. And then she sent me two products from the brand KKW, which I don't know how she guessed this, but I've always wanted to try her brand. But my Ulta sometimes doesn't have like too many of them. And look how beautiful the packaging is. So this one is in the color Pink 1. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is like the perfect pink. Love this shade. It's so pretty and the packaging is gorgeous. It's like a clear packaging. Super cute. And then she also got me the lip liner to go with it, also in the same shade, Pink 1. I can't wait to try this out. Ooh, this is so silky. It's beautiful. She also sent me one of the new Too Faced liquid lipsticks. These are the Lip Injection liquid lipstick in the shade Give Them Lip. And these are so amazing. They plump your lips, but they also have a color to it, and it's matte. And look at this beautiful packaging. It's gorgeous. Like, how stunning is this? And then this shade is absolutely beautiful. It's like a nude with like a little bit of pink. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is such a beautiful shade. If you want to get something from this lipstick brand, get this one. It's beautiful. I think it's a shade that goes with anybody. She also sent me this beautiful top right here. It's like a pleated top, and it's so pretty because it's like very flowy. I love these kind of tops, and it's beautiful. It's pink. Like, this is so, so cute. Loving this top so much. And a little keychain, which I am going to add to my new purse. I'm gonna put it right here. I think it's gonna look so cute. Yes, look how cute this is. So pretty. And last but not least, this amazing hat from Juicy Couture. Like, seriously, I have not seen this hat anywhere. I can't even believe like she was able to find this, and she got one for herself as well, so we are twinning. And look how pretty this is. It has like rhinestones. It says Juicy. This is literally the prettiest hat I have ever seen. Like, it is gorgeous. Like, look at this. So pretty, and I love that it's pink and it's all blinged out. Definitely my style, but I am just so excited with this. I'm like loving everything. You are the bestest friend, Janini, and thank you so much, girly. I can't wait for my birthday month because I am planning, crossing my fingers, but I'm planning to be able to meet up with her and spend some girly time. But yes, you guys, this is everything that I got at my Ulta haul and then what my bestie sent to me. I will leave links to all these products down below as always. I love you all so much. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.